Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts, and in today's video we're going to look at how to create a notebook. Notebooks on Amazon are very popular, and I'm going to show you how I make them. But if you're new to the channel, I'll just quickly explain that I make videos on how to make money with videos and share on social medias. I also do KDP on Amazon, making books, children's books and that. And I also do printables on Etsy. So feel free to come and have a look at any of these if you have. It's only a small channel. I appreciate the support. But without further ado, guys, let's get into today's video. Now, I've come over to BookBolt. This is a great tool to have. You can do all like your product search, your seller search, your cloud, where you can find out what's trending in that. You can look for keywords, what you need to use. You can add stuff to your favorites, book scout, so you can check what other people are doing and that. Like you've got all sorts, guys. Yeah, your spy, your categories, designer, and that. But yeah, so if you come over here, if you click on this little drop down button here, and we're going to go on create, then I'm going to click on BookBolt designer. Now let's just log in. Now it asks you, let's close that. It asks you, do you want to create a cover or an interior? But we're going to do cover today, guys. Yeah. I'll show you how to download the interior in a minute. You choose the size. So I'm going to go 8.5 by 11. I know the most popular size is probably 6 by 9. But yeah, I'm going to do 8.5 by 11. Choose white paper and then your page count. Let's say, for instance, I want 150 pages inside my book. Yeah, you can download ready to use interior. So I've just clicked on that and look, this brings up the interiors, the interior generator. Now you've got all these different ones. So you've got your blank page. Yeah, you've got your college ruled, your novel notebook ones. You've got all sorts, guys. It's really good to have. Come and check them all out. Like I said, it's got different ones. These are the ones I shared the other day. We did a comic book, so if you've not seen that video, please go and check it out. So anyway, let's go back to this. So you click on it like that. I don't want no bleed because the lines don't go to the edge. Yeah, so we don't need no bleed. I'm going to change it to 8.5 by 11. I want 150 pages, and then you click download, guys. Yeah. I'll do it for you now. So do that, and let's see what it is, guys. All these different pages. I'll just make it smaller so you can see it. Yeah, and that's it. There's your interior already done, already created. So let's go back, submit that, and we're going to do the cover. Now you can create multiple covers, and then you can use that same interior and upload that a number of times. But we'll create it like some people and spam it. Right, so it opens up. It's already created the cover. Now this on the left hand side is going to be the back cover, and this is the right hand side is going to be your front cover. So you can choose which color you want. Yeah, so it's up to you. You can have whatever color you want, but we'll stick to white for now. Images. So I've uploaded a couple of images. All you do is click on that, drag them out of your and I'm just going to pick a design that I like. Maybe this one, yeah. So you just got to line it up a bit. Drag this. So it's a bit like Canva, basically. Let's make it a bit smaller so the image is down the page. I think that's right. Yeah, and then what I'm going to do for this, I want it on the back cover as well. So just make it smaller again. Yeah, and I want a what do you call it? A spine. Yeah. So what I do here, I look for shapes, and let's get like a square. Yeah. And I'll just drag it and drop it. So I don't want it. I'm not sure if that's center now. Yeah. Yeah. And then I just put it up. We'll change the color. I think we'll have it a bit of a pinky color. Yeah. And that's about right. Well, what we can do, guys, drag a little box on there. In fact, I don't want the box, so you click there, get rid of it. I want some text. We need to add Antonia. Pretty much drag and drop. It's quite easy, guys. Double click on it for change the text. Let's start from there. I'm just going to call it a notebook, guys. That's all it is, isn't it? It'd help if I could spell. Need a bit smaller than that. But the colour, what colour should we have it? Down here, I think. Should we have it pink? Well, I'm not 100% sure. Oh, yeah. I think this is it. Yeah, this is how we choose our colours. But if you just want to use this, you just click on the number here. And I think if we have like I think that looks all right. Yeah, I'm happy with that, guys. It's simple, it's easy. And all you do then, guys, is you download it. And because we've already told them what pages, it's already got dimensions for us. And that is how easy it is. Downloads in a PDF, ready for upload to KDP. And that, guys, is how easy it is. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. The link, I will leave it as the link to Book Bolt. If you want to check it out, feel free. Like I said, it's a great tool to have, but also you can do your interiors and your covers, which makes it an all-round great tool. No need to use any other programs or to buy any others. So let us know, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, goodbye.